Okay, so today we're going to be attempting to fix the power steering pump in the farm truck. Went out about a week ago, so we've not had power steering. Started repairing it last week and realized I didn't have the correct pulley remover, so we ordered that and let's give it a go. I'd also like to add, this is not going to be a step-to-step guide, just because I'm a complete beginner with mechanical stuff, so we'll just do what we can. I'm going to be following some guides myself, and first thing we're going to do is just remove this intake so that we can access the clutch fan cover. To remove that, it's these two bolts, two 10mm, and then down here you've got these plastic clips, and for those you just pry this bit up and pull them out. There's one here, one down there, another one there, and another one down there. So we'll go ahead and get these removed. I already started that one, but let's get those out. Like I said, take the air intake off, and it's just got a little plug. Unplug that. And the coolant hose, you don't have to disconnect it from the radiator. Just work around it. Next, you're going to take a 16mm socket to take the tension off the serpentine belt, and then you're just going to remove it. Now the next step is removing this pulley. You can remove the clutch fan, but you don't have to, because you can just work around it. So this is the correct power steering pump puller set that I didn't have last time. Essentially this clamps onto the pulley, and this is the forcing pin, and you brace it with a wrench and then use a socket set. So let's give it a go. Nearly done. Don't think this has been removed in the 23 years, so I'm going to use a breaker bar. Like I said, don't follow this video if you want true step-by-step directions, because I'm winging it. Okay, gonna hit it with some penetrating lube and hammer. See if that works. This thing's kicking my butt. Looks like we're nearly there though. Success. So you just squeeze it and move it up, and then we'll work on removing the pipe. Oh, the handle, sorry. There you go. And we'll just tuck it up there for now. And then we did a remanufactured one. So now I see why everyone says it's difficult with one hand. Stand corrected. It's 1, 2, 3 bolts, and then 2 on the back. One of them's tucked way back down in there. Okay, there's the 3 front ones done. 1, 2, 3. Now to work on these back ones. Change of plan. Actually gonna have to just remove the entire bracket that holds the alternator so I can access the pump. Okay, took the 6 bolts out. Now I'm just gonna take these 2 clips off, well, these 2 wires, so that I can just move this up and out of the way. Okay, so now that's moved out of the way, I have to get down and access this last bolt, this last nut right here, and just pull out the power steering pump. And then disconnect the hoses, and then we'll go from there. It's actually been easier to just remove the bracket as a whole than to get to that bolt and that nut. Probably using a hammer way more than necessary. And once you've got that, there's the old one, there's the new one. So I gotta finish up for now. I've got my son's 6th birthday party. I'm gonna put it back together tonight. It's essentially exactly the same, but backwards. Like I said, not a guide, just me learning how to do stuff on my car.